Every year, 14% of the world's food, over 1 billion tons, is lost post-harvest before reaching markets. In grains, much of this loss occurs during storage, where quality deteriorates while price fluctuates.
I'm Anayana Agarwal.
I'm Naisa Singhal.
I'm Megan Ghai.
Together, we're a team of 3 girls from India driven by a mission to bridge the gap between harvest and the market.
Coming from a country where agriculture is the backbone of our economy, we have seen the impact of these storage losses firsthand.
The problem we are solving is a critical decision gap in grain storage. Today, farmer-producer organizations are forced to go by gut feeling due to two major threats: spoilage risk and price volatility.
During storage, unmanaged microclimates cause 6 to 8% spoilage loss. Seasonal prices swing 10 to 25% and 30 to 80 lakh rupees if capital remains locked per go down. One mistimed decision doesn't just lose money. It can erase an entire season's profit margin for an entire farming community.
This is why we built GrainOS, a first of its kind IoT and market intelligence platform designed to help predict, preserve, and profit.
Start by placing a simple device on a sample wheat patch, covering 8,000 to 12,000 square feet of area. Temperature, humidity, and carbon dioxide emissions are detected every 30 seconds. 3 direct indicators of grain respiration and early spoilage risk.
When risk is detected, GrainOS provides precise corrective actions such as aeration timing, stack adjustment, or ventilation changes to actively prevent deterioration. This storage risk is then paired with a forward Mandi price model that forecasts daily price over the next few days, identifying both the overall market peak and the optimal sell day specific to that grain's quality condition. Our model outputs clear instructions whether to hold or sell, the exact day to act, and the expected price, with a confidence score derived from historical Mandi records. FPOs also receive monthly storage analytics reports.
So how are FPOs handling storage today? As our ASIS strategy canvas shows, the existing market clusters around basic monitoring and inventory tracking. Traditional hardware can sense conditions, and generic apps can log stock, but both drop sharply once decisions are required.
Neither category connects storage biology to market timing. They monitor grain or they record inventory, but they stop before predicting risk, optimizing value, or guiding sale decisions. In this red ocean, storage data and market data remain separated across tools. GrainOS fundamentally shifts that curve, extending value from monitoring into prediction, optimization, and finally, actionable sell decisions.
By converging sensing, intelligence, and market forecasting into one platform, GrainOS transforms grain storage from passive monitoring into an active profit engine. While our competitors fight over the few high-tech silos in the country, we're looking at the vast ocean of non-customers. Our first tier are FPOs relying on manual judgment, waiting for affordable decision support.
The second tier rejected existing sensors because they track storage but ignore market value. But the true blue ocean lies in our third tier, the millions of smallholder collectives and remote godowns that big techs consider too small to serve. By making GrainOS affordable and predictive, we aren't just entering a market, we're creating one for the 80% of India's grain that currently sits in the dark.
We redesigned the strategy using the ERR secret. We eliminated the need for expensive, heavy infrastructure by creating something easily deployable and reduced the high cost of entry that keeps small FPOs in the dark. By cutting that waste, we were able to raise predictive accuracy and, most importantly, create something the industry has never seen: an engine that connects the biology of the grain to the reality of the market. GrainOS is already validated in the field. In a live FPO deployment, we delivered a 20% increase in profits, reduced spoilage risk by 30%, and achieved 95% alignment in market timing within a single storage cycle. We generated interest from over 25 additional FPOs. We've engaged with the Warehousing Association of India, Rice Association of India, and the Ministry of Agriculture of Rajasthan, secured support and feedback from Niti Aayog, and received endorsement from Shark Tank India's Amit Jain. GrainOS has also raised over $1,125 in pre-seed funding and competition awards, including placing second out of 13,000 teams at IIT Guwahati and advancing as a Diamond Challenge finalist.
Our promotion strategy is trust-driven. We anchor credibility through FPO federations, state agricultural departments, and warehouse cooperatives. Adoption is accelerated through live pilots, before-after case studies, and seasonal harvest demonstrations.
We achieve differentiation and low cost simultaneously through a simple hardware plus software model. Our device costs about $10.84 to produce and sells at $19 per go down, with a 2-year warranty paired with a $2.41 monthly software subscription to accommodate off-seasons. This pricing is significantly lower than comparable storage monitoring and analytic systems, which typically require higher upfront hardware investment and recurring platform fees. By combining sensing, predictive analytics, and decision support in one integrated system, GrainOS delivers equal or superior functionality at a fraction of the cost. This keeps adoption affordable for FPOs while enabling scalable analytics and strong margins, allowing us to expand across thousands of godowns without creating financial burdens for farmers' collectives. By integrating respiration-based spoilage modeling with forward price forecasting, GrainOS delivers optimization no storage system provides. Predict,
Preserve,
Profit with GrainOS.